Hello! In this two-part series, I will shed light on the benefits of why cleaning your home ceiling fans are important and how often this should be done. I'll answer what do ceiling fans have to do with improved health, how often your ceiling fan should be cleaned, what is the most effective way to clean a ceiling fan, how to clean a ceiling fan without getting dust everywhere, how to lower electrical costs, how do you clean heavy dust off a ceiling fan. So why is cleaning a ceiling fan so important? Cleaning a dirty overhead ceiling fan is an essential part of household cleaning. This reduces airborne dust and allergens, which are kicked up by spinning blades. A clean ceiling fan improves air quality in your home and may even help relieve symptoms related to allergies or asthma. A dirty ceiling fan does quite the opposite, forcing your possessions to collect dust. If you don't have time to watch this video through its entirety, then click above for 2 quick methods for cleaning your ceiling fan. In this brief video, I give an overview of the methods to get your fan sparkling in no time. Keeping your home free from dust can also extend the life of your ceiling fan motor, as dust buildup on the blades can cause them to become unbalanced over time and wear down the motor. Additionally, cleaning overhead ceiling fans helps them look attractive in your room and goes a long way toward making sure that your home looks its best all year round, requiring far less dusting. As I previously mentioned, cleaning ceiling fans can help to reduce pollen, dust, and other allergens in the air, thus reducing loose dust. Depending on how frequently the fan is used, it may be necessary to clean it more often. Areas of high humidity or dust can also increase the rate of dirt buildup on ceiling fans, so those should also be taken into consideration when determining cleaning frequency. It's easy to forget about cleaning overhead ceiling fans since they're out of sight and out of mind. Establishing a cleaning schedule will ensure maximum comfort and freshness for your home. Check out this additional video covering safety precautions when cleaning your ceiling fan. Ceiling fans are one of the most important cleaning items in your home. They circulate the air and keep temperatures balanced within a room. When cleaning your ceiling fans, your frequency should be based on how often they're being used, as well as environmental conditions. Minimally though, this important task should be completed at least twice a year. As previously mentioned, this can help reduce dust, pollen, and other allergens in the air. Depending on how frequently the fan is used, it may be necessary to clean it more often. Areas of high humidity or dust can also increase the rate of dirt buildup on your fan. So these should also be taken into consideration when determining cleaning frequency. For example, if your home is humid or has pets who shed fur, you may want to dust the blades more often than if you live in a drier climate without furry family members. Additionally, if you run your ceiling fan on high speed frequently throughout the warm summer months, then cleaning it more often will help reduce the spread of dust and other debris that spreads quickly when exposed to large amounts of air movement. Overall, cleaning your ceiling fans regularly helps them maintain an efficient level of circulating air for years to come. You'll be amazed at the difference a clean ceiling fan can make. Review this additional video where I cover potential hazards with cleaning ceiling fans. Regular cleaning of overhead fans and fan blades offers many benefits to individuals and households alike. Not only does cleaning keep our living space free from dust bunnies and annoying clutter, but it helps maintain a healthier environment. For example, cleaning up any dust and debris from ceiling fans along with fan blades can help prevent dust from becoming airborne and possibly triggering allergies or asthma symptoms. Additionally, cleaning can help improve the overall air quality, as well as reduce any risks of mold or mildew developing in our spaces. This adds up to reducing health risks for ourselves as well as our entire family. Furthermore, regular cleaning keeps our homes looking fresh and neat, which provides an overall positive effect on mental well-being. In conclusion, the simple routine of cleaning provides numerous benefits that positively impact both physical and mental health every day. Cleaning home ceiling fans regularly can help save money over time by cutting energy costs. Dirty fans become less efficient, requiring them to run for longer periods or at higher speeds to keep the space cool. An unclean fan and fan blades can lead to a spike in your electricity usage, resulting in higher utility bills and repair costs. Cleaning your fan regularly can help you save money while keeping your home healthy and efficient. Check out Part 2 for a comprehensive list of materials, tools, and safety guidelines for those tackling this DIY ceiling fan project. Overall, regular cleaning of hanging fans helps them maintain an efficient level of circulating air for years to come, reduces health risks associated with indoor allergens, and saves money through energy savings. Establishing a regular schedule for this task is essential to keep your home clean, fresh, and healthy for everyone. With just a few simple steps, you can make sure your overhead fans are always in top shape. Watch this additional video on materials and tools needed for cleaning a ceiling fan. Ceiling fan blade cleaning doesn't have to be a pesky chore. If you do it correctly, cleaning fan blades and dust inside the motor housing can be a breeze. The best approach begins with cleaning the fan blades of dust and dirt buildup. Before starting, make sure you turn off the power to the fan and allow it to come to a complete stop. Doing so ensures that no dust particles fly away when wiping down the fan blades and keeps you safe. Next, use a soft cleaning cloth and prepare a cleaning solution made of equal parts water and white vinegar or rubbing alcohol. Once your cleaning solution is ready, lightly dampen your cleaning cloth with it and use it for cleaning each blade one at a time. After every blade has been carefully wiped down and dried well, you're done. This will get any thick dust. With just these few steps, you will have easily removed all grime while protecting your fan's floor surface. Be certain to watch the second video in this series, covering a list of materials and tools needed along with important safety precautions. In conclusion, cleaning your ceiling fan regularly offers significant benefits to both your health and energy savings. By simply following these cleaning steps, you'll be able to easily keep your fans dust-free. Join us for part 2 of this series, where we'll provide you with secret tricks to rapidly remove dust from your ceiling fan and avoid potential hazards. We'll also cover important safety precautions when using materials and tools necessary to get the job done. Plus, a comprehensive list of materials and tools required will be given, so you can save time, effort, and money while keeping your home healthy and tidy. If you found this information helpful and want to stay up to date on the latest cleaning tips, comment, like, and subscribe to Beyond Thresholds for more useful content. Thanks for watching. Happy cleaning, and see you on the next video.